Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. The situation on the XRP chart is still that I'm looking for another move and continuation here to the downside. Now that can change, as discussed in previous videos. We could see some further short-term upside first. We're talking about the conditions that need to be fulfilled for that. At the moment, the price is quite indecisive. There is a lot of indecision. The market hasn't fully made up its mind yet. But what I can tell you is that we had a corrective move up into the March highs, which indicates that ideally after a corrective move up, we are looking for an impulsive move down. That continuation should occur. But if we look at the price now, it's not clearly impulsive. It's not clearly impulsive to the downside. This maybe. This is obviously a correction, but this isn't really following through to the downside now. So I highlighted to you in previous videos that what might happen here is a reset of this wave to a little, no, not this one, of this wave to a little higher. Let me just, oh yeah, exactly. It's this wave too that would reset a little higher. And in the yellow count, we have an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. So that's just a bigger picture, right? Wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside, which peaked on the 13th of June. Then a wave 3 to the downside now. There should then be a 4 and a 5 as well. We're now in the third wave, which consists of 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, 4, 5. Problem is, this is not really third wave of a third wave behavior. So it's too weak to the downside. While it is following through and it has worked out, and this would have been a nice short trade out of our trend reversal area, it is very stubborn, doesn't really want to go down. So we did identify this support level here around 45.5 cents, and it is very relevant. Price had support here before, here, and now again. Doesn't really want to go down lower. Made a slightly lower low here on Friday, but didn't really follow through to the downside. But it's making lower lows and lower highs. So we need to be ready for further continuation to the downside. But as long as the Friday low is holding at 45 cents, the yellow wave count is certainly a likely option. In the yellow wave count, it can push higher as long as that low is holding, but it would be, in my opinion, against, so from everything we can see, it would be against the higher level trend, which is down. So continuation to the downside is still preferred. And even if it goes higher, it would be constrained by resistance. Now, if it goes above 54 cents, then we need to rethink things a little bit, because then, in my opinion, it would get much more likely that it is also going to go above the 58 cent level, which is the March high. That means we have to reset this B wave higher, but that's nothing that is happening right now, right? That is all just some potential, which is not even worth to be entertained in too much detail at this stage, because price is certainly in a local downtrend. We now need to see, does the Friday low hold? And if it does, we can expect a little more upside just because of this structure as an A wave up. A wave was corrective. The B wave down as well. That's not really following through in an impulse. Therefore, a higher high in wave C is possible. But also here, it's just moving sideways at the moment. So it's really difficult. Hasn't made up its mind. It's weakened as well. So rather slow price action. Just be aware that you could simply say that below 54 cents, the focus can be on lower. Above it, prices all the way up to 73 cents would be unlocked, but it would not be bullish. Yes, short-term potentially, but it would rather just be a larger correction to the upside. Yeah, there is not much more to update, so I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.